Friends, Namaskar and welcome to HR Resonance channel. We are back to work. Friends, by this time you all experienced for the last more than 1 month we were all in lockdown situation due to the COVID-19. The whole world was very much in a different situation. Now after this, now almost lockdown lifted for the revival of the economy and regular life. In view of this, for few months we have to, everybody cannot be take it as a casual, but with extra care, prevention, and everybody has to adhere to many laid down regulations and SOPs by the government. In this connection, I have certain notes. Note number 1, we are allowed to back to work. In this, there are two important processes, but you have got to remember to avoid men. Men in the sense, mouth, eyes, nose. It means on and often you need not touch or touch this one to avoid the infection. Instead, follow the women. Women in the sense, wash your hands, obey social distance, mask up, and exercise and eat well, because you have to develop resistance power. No unnecessary traveling. So with these things we are allowed to come back to the work. The second submission is central and state guidelines. As per guidelines based on MHA's order, wherever it is allowed, follow and adhere to SOPs issued by various governments. And also in this connection, each sectoral industries also formulated their post-lockdown SOPs, which are really very meticulous and in detail. One has to follow very meticulously for the well-being of everybody. Employer and employees. SOPs for commercial and private offices are also provided. They are also in the detail, of course, based on these MHA's order. I request all of you to please read, understand and follow. Employees shall be encouraged to work from home to the maximum extent possible. Of course, this is possible in IT enabled and BT industries. And another point is self-declaration for adhering to SOPs by the employer has to be provided online and follow and display at a factory and establishment. By this time, certain of you might have already seen displayed in your factory. Employees to help a company in adhering to the SOP and declaration, which is already a mandatory condition. The next point is fresh guidelines. Recently, fresh guidelines on restart manufacturing units post-lockdown after Vizag tragedy, that is dated 10th May 2020, issued measures particularly for safety and health life, which I request everybody should note. NDMA has now issued a set of most generic guidelines followed by specific guidelines for storage of products, raw materials, for workers and also for manufacturing process. And special note, NDMA has asked state governments and industries consider the first week as a trial on test run period. This is what very important. In the wake of commencing the factory or commencement of the operation, because for the last almost month everything was shut down. In a wake of starting, suddenly don't avoid any safety or health measures and one should not end up in problem. Therefore, they suggested consider the first week as a trial or test run period and then proceed. And among many measures also they suggested. So some of them among them are guidelines for the workers in a detail, entrance health checks, provision of hand sanitization and masks to all, COVID-19 health and prevention of staff education. So this education is most important. physical distance measures, working in shifts, then presence of skilled workers. They also insisted on this to avoid any haphazard or any accident. Friends, I request all of you to go to all these guidelines, study them, understand them. Thereby doing that, I think you can prevent a lot of things and further things will go very smooth. The next submission is, in all this, what is our responsibility? Now, this being crucial time, all of us have to join our hands wholeheartedly, involved in all new challenges resolving, because each moment and every day may be challenge. So which we have to involve and find out our answer. With all positive support to the industry, state and also the central government to help the economy engagement and revival, in addition to people well-being, by all means wherever it is all required. And in this process, let us all commit, involve, dedicate, cooperate in restoring the normalcy by becoming more productive, cost effective, if need, more working, healthy and become satisfying workforce. With all satisfying workforce only we have to provide. Of course, in the process somebody has to sacrifice, okay, somebody has to lose, and they should take on their head and they have to involve and carry on the work. So with all these aspects, now it is a way, time and need. Let us carve and set a new pathway for our future work and our future responsibility. Thereby we can revive the economy, we can revive our industry, and also we can bring all our employees as well as our life to the normalcy and start producing and start engaging fruitfully in the days of in the coming days. Friends, with this thing I wish you all the best. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel of HR Resonance. Thank you. Good day. I wish you all the best and safe day and safe practices. Thank you very much.